Your first win's always a massive thing. That's the one you'll never forget. You always miss that adrenaline rush and that buzz as you're on start for that first race. So just to get racing again, well, I've missed the most, to be honest. We're going to go out fighting and then keep fighting to do well. But last year we went through a patch where we were really struggling. I was working a lot with the team, my engineers, trying things we hadn't tried before, trying to be more focused than ever. Yeah, stunning. The car looks amazing. It always has been one of the best looking cars. The black car with the chrome blue has always been stunning, but it's just it was time for a change, I guess. We've obviously been Laser Tools racing for 4 or 5 years now, going back to the Chevrolet Cruze. It's been a real progression on a similar livery, going from the black and the blue, introducing the chrome, introducing the red stripe down the side, and the car's always been stunning. And this year we just thought we wanted to do something completely different. So yeah, I mean, Keith Anderson as always has done a fantastic job. The car looks by far one of the best on the grid, and I'm sure that's not just me being biased. Training, I think some weeks have been about 12 times a week, morning and night, boxing training, running, the odd swim, gym, some personal training, just a complete mixture, just mixed it up. But yeah, I think boxing training's been one I've been doing a lot, kind of that high intensity, when you're having to kind of think a lot and to avoid your sore nose. A similar, what you want to achieve, you want to be as fit as possible, you want to have endurance, but you also want to be light as well, as opposed to big and heavy and struggling to turn the steering wheel. So it's actually a training programme that works really well, I've found.
Did it go as good as it looks now?
This year's the most up for it, most excited and most focused I've ever been. I think because we're doing it all in-house and up in Scotland this year, and because of having a lot more involved behind the scenes and the everyday aspects of what you need to do to the car, it makes us and it makes me a lot more excited again, and a lot more hungry for it.